Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today, we'll explore how fiber optic networks play a powerful role in reducing the risk of cyber attacks. In a world where businesses, hospitals, and financial institutions depend on digital connectivity, cybercrime is one of the greatest threats. Hackers target weak points in networks to steal data, disrupt services, or hold systems hostage. While firewalls, encryption, and monitoring software are essential, the physical layer of the network is just as important, and that's where fiber optics shines. Unlike copper cabling, which transmits electrical signals that can be intercepted with relatively simple tools, fiber optic cables transmit data as pulses of light. Any attempt to tap into a fiber line immediately disturbs the signal, making eavesdropping far more difficult and much easier to detect. This built-in security makes fiber a natural safeguard against data theft. Fiber is also immune to electromagnetic interference, meaning cybercriminals can't capture leaked signals from outside the cable. Combined with higher bandwidth and faster speeds, fiber ensures data moves securely and reliably across networks, whether it's financial transactions, healthcare records, or government communications. By strengthening the physical layer of communication, fiber optic networks reduce opportunities for cyber attacks, giving businesses and institutions a stronger, more resilient foundation for their digital defenses. At Comm Systems, we design and install secure fiber optic networks that protect your data, support your growth, and keep your business one step ahead of evolving threats. Thank you for watching the Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.